Class 8, we are doing chapter number 2, exponents, and now we are going to start with exercise 2b. So let's start it. Question number 1, compute part 1. 1 raised to the power 8 into 3 raised to the power 0 into 5 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power 2. Now 1 raised to the power 8 will give you 1. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. 4, 5, 6, 1 into 1 will give you 1. So we can say that 1 raised to the power n will always give you 1. N can be any number. Okay. So next is 3 raised to the power 0. We already know that a raised to the power 0 will give you 1. So 1 here also. Now 5 raised to the power 3. So 5 into 5 into 5 will give you 125. Fine. Then 2 raised to the power 2 will give you 2 into 2, that is 4. So 4. Now 1 ones are 1 into 125 into 4. 1 into 125, 125 into 4. 125 4s are 500. Answer. Now I am going to do third part for you. 2 raised to the power minus 9 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 11 bracket outside there is power 3. Clear class? Now let's solve the bracket first. 2 raised to the power minus 9. This 2 raised to the power minus 11 will come down if we'll remove this divide sign. Or you can write it like this also. Now, to make the power positives, remember 1 upon a to the power minus m can be written as a to the power m. And a to the power minus m can be written as 1 upon a to the power m. So this will come down and this we will take up. So it will become positive 2 to the power 11 upon 2 to the power 9 bracket 3. Now inside the bracket quotient law 11 minus 9, because 11 is greater than 9, so 11 minus 9. Remember, a to the power m upon a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n if m is greater than n. Remember this thing, children? Yes. Now 2 to the power 2, 11 minus 9, 2, power law. Remember, a to the power m bracket power n will give you mn. So multiply 3 to the 6. Now solve it. 2 to the 4, 2 the 8, 2 the 16, 2 the 32, 32 to the 64. Clear class? Clear class? Okay. Now fourth part. 2 upon 3 bracket outside is power minus 4 into 27 upon 8 outside the power is minus 2. Now to make this power positive, reciprocal the numbers inside the bracket. So 3 upon 2 power will become 4. 8 upon 27 power will become 2. Remember, a upon b to the power minus m. Suppose b upon a will give you positive m. The power will change. Its sign will change. Okay. Now 3 to the power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 upon 2 to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Similarly here, a to the power 2 will give you 8 into 8 and 27 to the power 2 will give you 27 into 27. Now 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So I cancel 127 and 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. Clear? 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. I cancelled 1 8. Now 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. I cancelled in the next step just to make it clear. Okay, then 8 upon 2 into 9, so 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Clear? Now 4 upon 9 is the answer. Let's do fifth part now. 56 upon 28 raised to the power 0 divided by 2 upon 5 raised to the power 3 multiply 16 upon 25. Now remember, any number raised to the power 0 will give you 1, and if you solve this thing stepwise also, then also first of all 0 will come on both of them on opening the bracket, and then separately they will be 1 and 1, and then 1 ones are 1, you will get 1. Clear? Clear this thing? Now when you will open the bracket, this 3 will come on this 2 also and this 5 also. Now remove this divide sign. Why? Board mass, first bracket, then off, then divide. Okay, so we have come to divide. Remove this divide sign and put a multiply, and these terms will get reciprocal. 2 will come down and 5 will go up. Now 5 raised to the power 3 means 125. 5 into 5 into 5. And 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 8. So 125 upon 8. Now 25 ones are 25. 25 5s are 125. 8 ones are 8. 8 2s are 16. If you cannot do directly, then you can just simply go like 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. Then 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. Now 1 into 5 into 2. 5 ones are 5. 5 2s are 10. So the answer is 10. Now let's do 8th part. Minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power 4 divided by minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power 8 multiply minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power 5. Remember this thing, minus a to the power m will give you positive a to the power m if m is even, and will give you negative a to the power m if m is odd. Even, odd. Remember this thing. Similarly here, minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power 4. It is minus, and this power is even. 4 is even. What are even numbers? Divisible by 2. Fine. So 4 is divisible by 2. So it is even. It will give you 1 upon 3 to the power 4. And 1 to the power 4 will give you only 1. Similarly here also 1 upon 3 to the power 8. Why? Because 8 is also even. So 1 upon 3 to the power 8. Now minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power 5. Now this is not even, this is odd, because 5 is not divisible by 2. Not completely divisible by 2. So minus 1 upon 3 to the power 5. है ना? And this minus will remain as it is. Now next is 1 upon 3 to the power 4. In y, change this division sign, put a multiply, and terms will get reciprocal. So 3 raised to the power 8 will go up and 1 will come down. Now multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators separately. Minus 1 into 3 to the power 8 into minus 1 will give you minus 3 raised to the power 8 upon 3 raised to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power 5. Now this will give you, here in the denominator it is multiplication. So 3 to the power 4 plus 5. है ना? Minus 3 to the power 8 upon 3 to the power 9 has come. Now again the quotient law, 8 will come down and will get subtracted from this 9. So minus 1 upon 3 is the answer. Please go through once again. Okay class. Now next question we will do in our next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.